Yes.
Yeah.
Okay guys.
Tayo pwede mag-picture dyan.
Hello guys.
May buhay na siya kasi may mga ganyan na siyang salita.
Your voice
Now,
over.
this is the difference.
Yes.
Ano tawag dito? Alma, your voice overer.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on the way again to another
Adventure.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you for the input.
And this is the second day.
You've made it.
Hey,
Lady, you've made it. Sabah Al Ahmed Natural Reserve. Wow, ang ganda pa ng tugtog na. Baka maano ako dito. Hindi ko ma-post siya. Lagyan mo lang ng ano, disclaimer. Oh, I've been to Georgia, California.
Oops, I cannot see it.
Picture na lang tayo.
Yes. Sarado?
To paradise, but I've never been to me. Do I need to get down? Okay.
Ano pang mga bansa ang narating niyo?
Ayan si Chris marami. Ako Israel tsaka Georgia lang.
Traveler. Ikaw, Welds.
Ayan din, marami na rin.
Ako, Dubai lang eh. Sunset in Kuwait. Perfect!
Wow.
Pwede bumaba. Sunset! Yeah!
Yan yung pangalan. Sino ginawa natin isang araw, ha? Mabawi ako.
Very much. You're such a star.
Ayun, nag-paragliding oh.
My God! Mag-picture tayo.
Ayan lang. Saksihan ng sunset.
Tomorrow again, another day.
Para na siyang apoy na nagtatago.